We represents the 7 Best Keyboard Review 2019. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Keys and Blue Switch. Personalized design, borderless, floating key and keyboard and line separation. The humanization design of the keyboard and FN in combination with a number of common functions shortcut keys. Ideal size for a laptop, ergonomic step-by-step key cover, linear action, no frame. Number 2. Matthias Tactile Pro. The keyboard is based on the same premium key switch technology that Apple used in its original Apple Extended Keyboard, commonly known as the best keyboard Apple ever made. Mac users who crave the legendary Apple Extended Keyboard will love Tactile Pro. Unlike other keyboards manufactured today, each key is built on a separate mechanical out switch. They feel better and you will print faster. Number 3. Microsoft Sculpt. The ergonomic Sculpt for Business keyboard has a unique modern design and a surprisingly comfortable feel. It is based on advanced ergonomic principles, includes a folding keyboard layout, which helps to position the wrists and forearms in a natural relaxed position, a palm rest with cushions to provide support for the wrist and a dome-shaped keyboard to reduce wrist pronation. This is the perfect keyboard that helps you feel comfortable and productive throughout the day. Number 4. Microsoft 3RA00022. The sound of the keys, stiffness and texture ensure stable and quiet operation with optimized grip. Optimized feedback and reverse force prevent accidental clicks and ensure smooth and consistent action. Number 5. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue. The most universal wireless ergonomic keyboard on the market and is designed to adapt to your body type and preferences to enhance your comfort and increase productivity. Adjust the position of the keyboard modules with adjustable separation, stretching and an accessible tent to achieve the natural position of the arms, wrists and forearms in order to reduce static muscle tension and tension. Number 6. QWERTYWRITER S Typewriter. You can get it all with the new QWERTYWRITERS, the original inspired typewriter mechanical keyboard. Unsurpassed in its aesthetic design, QWERTYWRITERS is easily one of the most amazing devices you have ever had. But don't let this distract you. The new QWERTYWRITERS is filled with advanced features and a patented design that you will not find anywhere else. Number 7. Fellows Microban Split Design. The keyboard has Microban antimicrobial protection that ensures the purity of the product. Corresponds to the natural position of the hands and arms for added comfort. 16-character buffer for fast typists. 7 additional hotkeys provide multimedia control and one-touch internet access. The internet must be connected. USB connection. For Windows 9 8 SE, 2000 and ME, download the software from fellows.com to enable multimedia keys. No software required for use with Windows Vista and Windows 7.